Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a little bit of a random program that displays quite a few useful things in Python. So what I'm going to do first of all, I'm going to create random words here and I'm going to assign that to this, which is a list, but it's an empty list, there's nothing in it, so we store things in a list. Now I'm going to create a function called update words. This is the function. I'm going to use a while loop now, while true, because we're going to loop through some things. I'm going to create a scalar variable which is called word, and I'm going to assign it to input, which will get the user input that the user types in. Then I'm going to tell the user what to type in, so simply enter a word. So these are just going to be random words that you can enter, it doesn't matter what you enter. Now we're going to come down onto the if conditional here, which does it evaluates things basically. So if word here is equal to exit, so if the word that we type in is equal to exit, we're going to break out of the loop and that will end the program. And we're going to use else here. So else, let's have a look. No, we're just going to carry on here. We're going to do random words. So this will just keep going. As long as you keep entering a word, it'll just keep asking you for another word. And if you type in exit, it will break the program and you will escape the program. So there we go. I'm going to do random words. Let's say .append word. So all we do is we keep entering the word in, and it's going to append that word into this list here. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come down here and we're going to simply create another function called print words. Okay, and then we're just going to print out this list. So the list is called random words. Yeah, so we're just going to print it out. And then we're going to create another function called search word here. So this other function will be below. Okay, now we're going to create this function called search word. We're going to create another variable and we're going to call this variable search word. I'm going to assign that to input, so again we're going to get the user input, and of course we'll tell the user what we want them to input. So basically search word. Well, actually I'll make it clearer than that. Enter word to search. Okay, that's pretty clear. So we're going to search for a word in the random words list above there. So again, we're going to come on and use a conditional here. So if search word in random words, so if that particular word is in the random words list above, we're going to do something. We're going to print, and we're also going to use the F here, the F string, so we can interpolate. So search word So we'll interpolate that word into the output here. So it'll say the word that we've typed in. And if it's there, it will print found. Or else, the catch-all here, using the else, print. Again, the F string, so we're going to interpolate the search word there that we typed in. So you'll see that when it prints out its result, search not found. Okay, now all we have to do here is call this program. So I'm going to call it by the first function here, which is update words. Update words. Let's just save that. Let's run the program. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. Enter words. I'm just going to enter random words like names, like Dave, Sid, car, rat. Okay, I want to get out the loop now, so I type exit. Okay, so we're out of the loop. Right, let's have a look here. So once we go out of the loop, what we want to do is we want to jump down into the next function, which is called print words. Okay, so this is the next function, so let's do that again. So again, car, hat, rat. Okay, I'm going to type in exit. I want to break that. Okay, so it's entered it there. So we've got car, hat, rat. So I'm going to search for something in there. I'm going to search for hat. Hat found. Okay, let's just run this program one more time, and we'll just put something in the search box that's not in the list. Okay, so we're going to do Matt, hat, rat. Okay, exit. Right, enter word to search. Let's put something that's not in there, like car. Okay, car not found, and we can see car has been interpolated into this sentence here. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that program, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button below, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.